Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an entry now. Open the app and tap the plus button to start. Choose a template so structure guides you: daily for routine, project for tasks, mood for reflection. Once done, set the date and time, add tags and location to make retrieval easy. Make sure to use a short title and 2-3 tags. This helps search later. Begin with a single sentence summary, then expand into details. This momentum keeps writing simple and focused. Next, enrich the entry with media and structure so it's useful later. Attach photos or audio clips to capture moments. If available, drag and drop files for speed. Then, format with headings and bullets to separate ideas and emphasize action items. Use highlights or stars for key lines you want to review. Once formatted, create backlinks or consistent tags to connect related entries. This builds context and saves time when you search. Repeat. To finish, review the entry and sync it to the cloud so your notes are safe. Set reminders for follow-ups, export PDFs when you need a shareable copy, and pin important entries for quick access. Once saved, archive old notes to reduce clutter but don't delete until backed up. If syncing or save fails, check your internet and app version, log out and back in, and confirm account storage. These steps fix most issues quickly, and you'll be back to journaling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.